How to time travel with Google Maps timeline. Google Maps timeline lets you explore your travel history, view places you have visited, and even look back in time to see where you have been on specific days. To access this information, first of all, you need to make sure that you have updated version of Google Maps. Once you check that, simply launch Google Maps and make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on the profile picture at the top right. Then here you can see your timeline option from menu. Simply tap on this. After this, your timeline will be shown. Once in your timeline, choose a specific date by tapping the calendar. Simply tap on the calendar. Here you will see a detailed view of your travels on that day. You can also tap on the places at the top of the timeline page to view past location you have marked or visited frequently. So in this way, you can easily find out the places you have explored in your history. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.